Hi guys, welcome to Operation Crypto. This is the weekly update on Vechain, which is ticker VET. We'll have a look at a few key levels. So we'll have a look at some areas of support where we could potentially place some orders or open a trade. And then we'll have a look at a few areas of resistance tied in with Fibonacci levels to find some areas where we could potentially either take profit or use as an accumulation point. If you are new to this channel, then please make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that like button and let's crack on. So welcome, this video is in partnership with Cointelegraph's Markets Pro. If you want to find out more about it, check my YouTube page, the front page. You'll find the Cointelegraph's Markets Pro review there. You can find the link also in the description and the pinned comment of this video. Highly recommend you go and check it out. It's a solid platform. So looking at Vechain, this is a daily time frame tether pair on Binance. We have had a breakout. Last time I did this video, it was in an indecisive time. I was either looking for buys at this region here at 11 cents, or we was looking for a breakout, and we have got that breakout that we're looking for. So far, we have rejected off this key level of resistance at 14.4 cents. It's a key level of that because we've had a few rejections here, rejection here, rejection here, and we are just rejecting off it again. If we do break above this and close above it on the daily time frame, there's not much in our way up to all-time highs at 28 cents. We only had, what could you say, around 6 to 7 weeks of data above there. So once this starts rallying and starts pushing back up to there, I think you're really going to know about it. But let's just have a look at the current situation and have a bit of a zoom in here. So this is daily time frame. Just looking at the money flow indicator down here, it is now positive. That means it is great. There's more buyers and sells coming in. We can get rid of that now because we have, I'll tell you what, I'll leave it on. We'll have a look at his latest move here. So let's get rid of this Fibonacci. We are nicely using this moving average 20 as support. As you can see, we did a few closes below, but we're straight back above it. We've not been down to test for the moving average 50 yet, which usually I do see is a bullish sign. A retest of that trend is a good sign, but so far so good. I want to drop to a 4-hour time frame and analyze this latest move here. So we've had that breakout. We didn't come back down and retest it, which is nothing to worry about because, I mean, we are now attacking this level of resistance. As you can see, it is a key level of resistance. It is all wicks that are hitting it. We're looking for a closure above it to use that area as support and then push on to the next key levels. But just put a little bit of a bearish spin on this if you're wanting to buy in. So we'll have a look at some key levels. So we have a bottom of a move here, the top of a move. And if we reject from here and we don't close above that, then you can look at some levels to buy. So we have this region here, which will marry in nicely with that tap of that moving average 20, which is at 13.6 cents. And then we also have this region down here at 12.8 cents, which would marry in with a nice tap on that moving average 50 before we did start to push on. There are your buy zones. So I would ladder a few in, maybe ladder a few in from 13.6 down to 12.8. Just be wary as well that the market is bullish as hell. When it happens, sometimes you do get a correction. So I wouldn't be surprised if we did come back down and tested this trend again. I mean, we did break out 11.9 cents, 12 cents. Maybe a little bit too bearish on the current climate because things are looking good. But buy zones within that range there, anywhere from 13.6 down to 12.8. Areas of resistance that we need to target. So we'll drop back into the daily time frame. There's not much in terms of resistance. I mean, the next area to attack is that one there at 15.2 cents. I'm going to box that Moffat off actually. If we just look at this wick here, 1, 2, 3, 4 wicks within that range. That is the next major area of resistance for me. Up at around 15 to 15.8 cents is around that area. So if we do close above this region here that we're currently sat at 14.4, the first major target is breaking through 15.4 cents. Once we do break above that and flip back to support, you will see this pushing up to all-time highs quicker than you can blink. And I think it's really starting to gain some traction now. We've had that major move up. We have done a retracement, a bit of consolidation on a downward spiral. Profit taking was happening. Then this is going to push up. And I honestly think anything you should be wanting to buy, just market buy. Hold on because the future is looking very good. Q4 for our all cryptocurrencies is looking fantastic. That pair covered. Just take a look at the BTC pair currently at what's going on here. Squiggles everywhere. So we had this triangle here, again very similar scenario to the USDT pair. We've had a breakout, and again we're coming up to this area at 305 satoshis. I looked at buys last time and it was around this 233 satoshis. We didn't quite make it, we didn't drop down, and we pushed it upside. If you're looking for buys, we're now above this level of resistance, which is now support. So I would target buys at around 256 satoshis and then monitor price. I'm looking for a breakout above 300 satoshis, flip that area to support here, and then we will really start flying to this region here. I think if we can get above that region, then things will really start to look good. But just be wary, if Bitcoin goes on a random run to 55, 56k, the Satoshi pairs may start to feel a little bit of a pressure, and you come down and test this level. So that's why I say have some orders in around 250, 260 Satoshis. Could be a decent level for you to target. And then finally, I just want to take a look at the Valkyrie indicator. I'll just get rid of a few of these levels here. So this is the daily time frame. Currently, if you look at all these dots and all these lines, you're thinking, what the hell is that, Andy? And I'll show you. These red dots here was sell signals. If you managed to sell there, it would have been a great sell. These green dots here are buy signals. If you manage to buy then, bang. If you manage to sell here, slight retracement, nothing major. And these ones haven't given much materialistic gains. But so far, what I've found is the best thing to do, if you're monitoring the price with this Valkyrie indicator, look at the dots which are close to these levels. These purple levels are areas of support. Look at this one here. We got an RSI oversold signal, bang, straight up here. Then we come down again, we retested this area of support, RSI oversold again, bang, straight up. Same scenario here. So if you're looking to test that indicator out, go to the Valkyrie Trading Discord. You'll find that link in the description of this video. Works exactly the same for scalping. If you want to go down to a 5-minute time frame and have a bit of a zoom in and see what's going on here, same scenario here. You could have managed to buy some here on this nice level of support and rode it all the way up there. Currently with this band here, this green band, which is resistance, you could have, you didn't get the RSI signal there, but you could have sold it and potentially got down here. Plenty of different methods, but so far I'm finding that the RSI and the areas of support or resistance work well as a good combination. So go ahead and check that Discord channel out and see what's going on there. But so far, things are looking good. We have had that breakout of that triangle and things are looking bullish. First area to target is that 14.5 cent. Close above that and we will start to push on. So that's going to do it for today's video. Just some price analysis on Vechain. Whatever, tell you what, if we close above this over the next few days at 15.4 cent, I'll jump into some further price analysis straight away. So give me a shout in my Telegram group, which is a Crypto Troops, and we can have a look at some more key levels above that, but there's not many, not much trading data above there. So thank you very much for watching today. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.